Yo, we back at it again, man. We gonna get straight to it. I'm doing a little front end brake job on a Toyota. I think this is a Corolla. This is 2019 maybe, I don't know. I'll post the correct year on here once I post it, but we getting straight into it, y'all. So I got the car on the jack. Set these aside. Shit. 14mm socket. Just crack it. Oh, brakes. Piston in. Just making sure. Guys, that is how you change front end brake pads on a such and such Toyota Corolla, man. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe button. And I'll see you on the next joint.